Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my July monthly spread, and I'm going to be using the monthly kit from Planner Kate. This is kit 148 and this is obviously the patriotic kit. So I've got the first sheet, which is sheet F, and then I've got the EC monthly sheet 2, which is sheet G. So sorry about the lighting. I am filming in my bedroom on my bed. It's just a little funky with just how everything is going. So, but yeah. So I am kind of excited about, or actually I'm really excited about July. It's just going to be a really awesome time for my family. I am completely off in July from my job. I work in a school district. And so, yeah, it's going to be really exciting. And we had like an incredible amount. Oh, here, let me zoom you in a little bit. We had an incredible amount of snow days this year. It was like we had 11 snow days plus 3 late starts. Just insane. So I'm glad that that is behind us now, and it's slightly crooked, but that's totally fine. You can't even tell. But just with how everything worked out, I had to work until the last Thursday of June, so June 27th. And actually, I think it's the day that this video goes up, is June 27th. So today is my last day of work. But it just, I've never worked that late before, just with how everything, how everything has worked out. But it's over and it's done with, and we can move on to next year, because this year it just felt like a wash. Yeah, it just was crazy. Oh, and that is really crooked. Well, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay, so all of the big pieces are done. And let's go day by day. So July is going to be slightly crazy. The only reason I say that is because my son is not going to daycare 5 days a week. He's only going Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So I packed a bunch of stuff into Tuesday and Wednesday for like doctor's appointments and stuff, so that I didn't have anything, when he was out of school. So the first thing that I'm going to mark is Monday. I'm going to bring him to my work. And I'm promised the ladies that I would bring him. So we're going to go probably just for an hour or so, because honestly, by the time that we get through everyone, it'll be an hour. Like, let's be real. Okay, let's do this. So it's just a little bit easier to see. Okay, and then on the 4th is Independence Day. And I'm going to write Fourth of July. Sorry, I keep clicking that pen and it's probably very irritating. Okay, so 4th of July. So the next thing is the 10th, and I have a stomach doctor appointment. I'm going to mark that in blue. I'm going to do a blue appointment label, and I'm going to write 10:25 a.m. gastro. And that is one we actually are leaving town for. I got pretty sick when I was pregnant with my stomach issues, and so I'm going to like the specialist at Mayo Clinic in Rochester. So that is that day. I'm hoping they can tell me why things were happening during my pregnancy, and hopefully they can figure out. So if I ever do have another baby, I'm hoping it won't happen again. So, and then the 13th, we have a retirement for one of my really good friends at work. So I'm going to do 3 p.m. Patty's retirement. And so that'll be really fun, and hopefully we'll go to it as a family. Oop, and that is really low. See, and that's something I love about Planner Kate stickers, is that you can peel them up and lay them down and peel them up again, and they are perfect. And I kind of ran out of room there, but that's fine. Okay, so on the 15th, daycare schedule is due. And usually I mark that with a pencil, but I don't think I have any pencils with me right now. So I am going to, and actually I'm going to put a cute little blue dot, I don't know, for something. Oh, I keep clicking that pen, and okay, so the 15th is the daycare schedule. I don't know where it cut me off, but our child like threw up all over my husband, so I had to go help him clean up. It was actually pretty funny. So the 15th is the daycare schedule, and then on the 16th I have another doctor's appointment. I try to fit everything in the month of July. And I don't know if you can hear my child, but like he's roaring like a, I don't know, dinosaur animal, some sort of something over there. So sorry if you can hear him, but it's just really funny for me to hear him. And then, I'm gonna use these strips to go from Tuesday to Wednesday. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm having issues here. And let me zoom you in a little bit. Okay. So I'm not going anywhere. My husband is going fishing. Those days. Okay, and then the 17th, I have a dentist appointment, 1 p.m. Sorry, I don't know if you saw me write that, but okay. And so my husband is, actually, let's do this. We'll do a little dot right on the washi fishing. Oh yeah, you can, oh my God, I keep clicking this pen. You can see that pretty well. So it's even, shows up even better in person. So the 20th is my birthday, and we are going on vacation starting on that day. So I'm going to mark that using more skinny washi. Let's see, will this fit 2 days? Okay. I'm gonna mark. We're also going on vacation the 26th and 27th. So since I'm over here, I just mark that off. He is really going out there. Okay. So the 20th is my birthday. So I'm gonna mark that with a blue label. And I'm going to use some cut out balloon stickers somewhere here. Okay, so my birthday, start of our vacation, and then we are going to be on vacation through Monday. So I'm going to take another skinny strip. And mark until the end of Monday. I'm so excited for this vacation. So I'm just gonna mark using, I think, a blue sticker. And a red dot. Vacation. Okay, so then on the 23rd, I have a hair appointment at 9:15. So I'm gonna do that. And then the next thing is the 26th, and that is our nephew's birthday. So I'm going to mark that with a that. Actually, here's what I'm going to do. Because we are going to go to the zoo with them also that day. So I'm going to mark his birthday. And he'll be 1 that day. And then zoo trip. And then on the 28th, my husband and I will have been married for 2 years. Okay. So I marked anniversary for the 28th. And of course, since I am a book nerd to the highest degree, I also have to mark that the 31st is Harry Potter's birthday. So Harry Potter. And I'm gonna grab some more balloons. Like that for the 31st. And you couldn't even see that. So like that. Okay, so I'm going to put all of the date dots on and I will be right back. Okay, so here's what the finished spread looks like. There are a couple more things that I forgot to mark. So our cleaning lady is going to come the 10th and the 24th. So these are the cleaning stickers. So this is an old format sheet. So none of the colors actually match too well. I think I'm going to just use a gray. So she'll be there the 10th and the 24th. And then I also want to mark my paydays. So it'll be the 5th and the 19th. So I'm going to just use the 2 red paydays in the kit and put them up on top as well. Okay, and I think this is my finished spread. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. As always, all of the items that I used are going to be marked in the description box below. Take care, guys. Bye.